Imagine this scenario. You wake up one morning, open your laptop, and suddenly realize that all your important files, photos, or even years of work are gone. Maybe your hard drive failed. Maybe you accidentally deleted a folder. Or maybe it was ransomware that locked you out. In moments like this, having a reliable cloud backup solution isn't just a convenience, it's a lifesaver. And for people or businesses with massive amounts of data, cloud backup with unlimited storage plans can sound like the perfect solution. But what does unlimited really mean? Which providers actually offer it? And what should you watch out for? That's what we'll explore in today's video on cloud backup solutions with unlimited storage plans. Let's start with the basics. Cloud backup is essentially a service that allows you to automatically copy and store your files and system data on remote servers maintained by a provider. This ensures that your data is protected against hardware failures, accidental deletion, theft, or disasters. Unlike cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, which are designed primarily for syncing and sharing, cloud backup solutions focus on protecting every single file, often without you even needing to think about it. Now, when we add the word unlimited into the mix, it becomes even more appealing. Unlimited means you don't have to worry about running out of space, no matter how many terabytes of data you generate. But the truth is, unlimited almost always comes with caveats. Let's look at what that really means and which providers are best. One of the most well-known names in the world of unlimited cloud backup is Backblaze. Backblaze Personal Backup has become incredibly popular because it truly offers unlimited backup for a single computer and any connected external hard drives. There are no file size limits, no restrictions on how much you can upload, and the software runs in the background without requiring much attention. All of this comes at about $9 per month, or less if you pay yearly or for 2 years upfront. For most individual users, Backblaze is about as close to a perfect unlimited backup solution as you can get. However, there are some considerations. If you're backing up several terabytes of data and your internet connection is slow, uploading everything for the first time could take weeks or even months. And while you can restore your data through downloads, if you ever need to recover massive amounts of data, you may have to order a physical hard drive shipped by Backblaze, which comes at an additional cost. Still, for most people, Backblaze offers a balance of price, true unlimited storage, and ease of use that's hard to beat. Next, let's talk about Sync.com, specifically their Teams Unlimited plan. This is designed for businesses and teams who need not only backup, but also collaboration and secure file sharing. As the name suggests, they advertise unlimited storage, which is especially attractive for companies that deal with large video files, design projects, or extensive datasets. The cost is usually around $15 per user per month, with a minimum team size requirement. However, like most so-called unlimited plans, there is usually a fair use policy. That means if you're trying to push petabytes of data, you might face restrictions on speed or additional checks from the company. But for small and medium businesses, Sync.com offers a nice balance of unlimited capacity, strong security, and collaboration features, making it a solid choice for professional environments. Another interesting option is Jottacloud. Based in Norway, Jottacloud offers unlimited backup for individuals and families. It's a good alternative to Backblaze if you're looking for a European provider or care about strict privacy regulations. Jottacloud is especially appealing for photographers and creative professionals because it has good support for large media files. However, users have reported that after very high amounts of data, for example more than 5 terabytes, upload speeds may slow down due to throttling. So while the storage is technically unlimited, performance can be affected for extremely large backups. This is an important reminder that unlimited does not always mean unlimited in practice. Carbonite is another name that often comes up when discussing unlimited backup. Carbonite offers plans where you can back up an entire computer without worrying about storage caps. Like Backblaze, this makes it very simple for individuals who just want peace of mind. However, Carbonite's unlimited plans can sometimes be more limited in terms of features. For example, certain plans may not include external drives and versioning, meaning how many copies of a file's history are saved might not be as extensive as other providers. In addition, upload speeds may not be as fast as some competitors. Carbonite still has its place for users who want a straightforward unlimited solution, but it's important to look closely at the specific plan details before signing up. So, what's the catch with all these so-called unlimited solutions? The truth is that unlimited often comes with conditions. One of the most common is fair use or throttling. Providers may not officially limit how much you can store, but if you upload extremely large amounts of data, they may slow down your connection or ask you to justify your usage. Another important limitation is versioning and retention policies. Unlimited storage usually applies to current files, but most providers only keep older versions or deleted files for a limited time, often 30 days or 90 days. If you need a backup provider that keeps older versions forever, you'll need to read the fine print carefully. Then there's the issue of supported devices. Many unlimited backup plans apply only to computers, not to servers, network-attached storage, or mobile devices. If you want a truly comprehensive backup of your digital life, you might need to combine multiple services. It's also important to consider how restores work. Backing up several terabytes to the cloud is one thing, but if your system crashes and you need to restore everything, downloading multiple terabytes can take days or weeks, depending on your internet speed. That's why some providers like Backblaze offer physical restore options, where they ship you a hard drive containing your data. This can save time, but often comes at an extra cost. Another key factor is privacy and encryption. With so much of your personal or business data being stored in the cloud, you need to know how it's protected. Look for services that offer end-to-end encryption, zero-knowledge policies, and compliance with data protection regulations. And don't forget about data jurisdiction. Where your provider servers are located can affect which laws govern your data. For example, providers based in Europe may follow stricter privacy rules than those in other regions. So, which unlimited backup solution is right for you? If you're an individual user who just wants an affordable set-it-and-forget-it option, Backblaze is probably your best bet. It's reliable, inexpensive, and truly unlimited for a single computer. If you're part of a small business or team that needs collaboration features along with backup, Sync.com Teams Unlimited could be the better option, even though it comes at a higher per-user cost. For those who value privacy and want a European alternative, Jottacloud is worth considering. And if you want a simple competitor to Backblaze with slightly different features, Carbonite might fit the bill. But before making a decision, always remember to check the fine print. Ask yourself these questions. How many versions of my files does the provider keep? And for how long? Does the unlimited plan cover external drives, servers, or only one computer? What happens if I need to restore a very large amount of data quickly? Are there any fair use limitations that could slow me down? And finally, where is my data actually stored, and how is it protected? In the end, cloud backup solutions with unlimited storage plans are a fantastic safety net for individuals and businesses alike. They remove the stress of running out of space and make it possible to safeguard huge amounts of data affordably. But unlimited is never quite as simple as it sounds. By understanding the strengths and limitations of providers like Backblaze, Sync.com, Jottacloud, and Carbonite, you can choose the solution that best matches your needs. So, if you've been putting off setting up a backup because you thought it was too expensive or complicated, now you know that unlimited options are available and easier than ever to use. The cost of not backing up is always higher than the cost of protecting your data. Take some time today to explore these providers and secure your files, because when disaster strikes, your future self will thank you. That wraps up our deep dive into cloud backup solutions with unlimited storage plans.